Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a second monitor to your laptop. And this is very simple. So I bought this second display from Amazon for about 40 bucks on sale. Very simple. And you can see I'm using USB-C connected to my laptop right here for power. And then I have an HDMI cable running to the back of my laptop right here. So I have it connected for power and then also with an HDMI cable for a connection. So after you have it connected, go on over to your computer and go to the Windows Start button right here and select this and go to Settings. Then go to System and go to the right and go to Display. Now you should be able to see both of the monitors displaying right here. You can go to Identify to see number 1 and number 2. And you want to go to extend these displays so you can seamlessly drag an item from one screen to the next. Now, depending on your setup, you're going to have to drag it on the left or the right of it, or on top or beneath. So if you have like 3 or 4 different monitors, you can have one on top and then 2 on the side. So once you have that set up, it's extended, everything should be working well for you. There's additional settings under here as well. So if you got multiple displays, you can choose the primary display. So just choose the display and go to make this my main display. And this is where most of your notifications will show up on. You can see right here. Then also I have all these different widgets and icons down here for like Wi-Fi and audio. On my other display, I don't have that. So make it your primary display and you'll see those options. Then we can scroll on down. We got the brightness settings for each display. Scaling, this will be for the text size, apps, and other items. So if the text is way too small, choose the monitor, and then go on down to scale and just make sure that's large enough. Then we got resolution. So you might be connecting a monitor that's, maybe it's 4K, it's a TV or something like that. It could be completely different than your laptop resolution. So this is 1920 by 1080. I could be connecting a 4K TV, so just make sure you look at that. Then we want to go to advanced display for our connected display as well, and just make sure this is bumped up to the highest refresh rate so it looks good. It might be connected and might only be at like 30 hertz, so it seems like when you move around it's going to be really slow and lagging. So just go to this section and just bump it up to at least 60 hertz. You might have an option for 120. So look at those different options and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.